Okay, box and whisker plots. A box and whisker plot uses a number line to show the distribution of a set of data. The box is drawn around the quartile values, and the whiskers extend from each quartile value to the extreme data points that are not outliers. So let's do an example of constructing a box and whisker plot. Here's a set of data that we would like to make a box and whisker plot from. To construct the box and whisker plot, the first thing that you are going to do is to find the upper quartile, the lower quartile, the median, the interquartile range, and the outliers. Please refer back to the lesson on measures of variation in order to calculate the lower quartile, upper quartile, median, interquartile range, and outliers. A quick refresher, you're going to line the numbers up in order of least to greatest, find your median, calculate your lower quartile, your upper quartile, and then your interquartile range. We also want to find the outliers, so you do need to go through the process of finding the outliers. In this set of data, there is one outlier, which is 65. Once you have calculated the above values, step 2 is to draw a number line that includes the least and the greatest number in the data. Here's your number line. Step number 3 is going to be to mark the extremes. The extremes are the lowest set of data and the highest set, not including your outliers. So in this case, your lowest number would be 34, and your upper extreme is going to be 55. The reason that it is 55 and not 65 is that 65 is your outlier, and you would plot 65 separately. So you're going to mark 34 as your lower extreme. You're going to mark 37 as your lower quartile. You're going to mark 42 as your median. You are going to mark 47.5 as your upper quartile, and you are going to mark 55 as your upper extreme. Okay, you want to use an asterisk to represent your outlier so that looking at this box and whisker plot, you're able to identify that outlier. Step number 4 is to draw the box and whiskers. So you would draw a box around the quartile values and add whiskers to extend from each quartile to the extreme data points that are not outliers. Now let's try an example on your own. These are your set of data points. Construct a box and whisker plot from these data points. This is your answer. First, you would need to order your data in order from least to greatest and calculate your median, your lower quartile, your upper quartile, and your interquartile range. You will see from this set of data that there are no outliers. Next, you want to draw your number line and plot each one of your values above your number line. The last step would be to draw the box and the whiskers of your box and whisker plot. Let's try another example. You're going to construct a box and whisker plot from the following examples. The answer to this example will be revealed tomorrow in class.